The Chabahar port deal between India and Iran is in focus. The deal has been in news since Monday, since the day it was signed, and immediately US came out with a statement. It warned of sanctions on anyone engaging in trade with Iran. Listen in.
Any entity, anyone considering business deals with Iran, they need to be aware of the potential risk that they are opening themselves up to and the potential risk of sanctions.
To this, India's Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar replied that for everyone's benefit, people should not take a narrow view of it.
We've had a long association with the Chabahar port. I did see some remarks which were made, but I think it's a question of, communicating and convincing and, getting people to understand that this is actually for everybody's benefit. I don't think people should take a narrow view of it, and they have not done so in the past.
So what is the deal all about? Why is it important for India, and how will it counter China and Pakistan? Let's understand. Hello and welcome. I'm Pallavi Sharma and you are watching ET Now. After years of negotiations and setbacks, India and Iran have finally signed a long-term agreement to operate Chabahar port. The deal was signed between India Ports Global Limited and Ports and Maritime Organization of Iran as a joint venture. The deal will allow India to operate and manage the strategically important Chabahar port. As per the agreement, IPGL will invest approximately $120 million to equip and operate the port for the duration of 10 years. Also, a credit window in rupees equivalent to $250 million was offered for mutually identified projects to improve the infrastructure related to the port. In the past too, India, Iran and Afghanistan had a trilateral agreement to establish the International Transport and Transit Corridor, which was signed in 2016. Since then, India's shipping ministry has worked at a brisk pace to develop the port. But later, the attitude of the Trump administration towards Iran complicated matters in 2017. However, India managed to get a waiver from the US for Chabahar port. IPGL has been operating Chabahar port since December 2018. The port has handled more than 90,000 TEUs of container traffic and more than 8.4 million metric tons of bulk cargo and general cargo since then. Chabahar is a deep water port located in the Makran coast of Iran's Sistan Balochistan province. It is next to the Gulf of Oman and at the mouth of the Strait of Hormuz. It is the only Iranian port with direct access to the Indian Ocean, so it presents a significant potential for trade. The port will serve as a crucial gateway for Indian goods to access landlocked Afghanistan and Central Asia through the implementation of the North-South Corridor bypassing Pakistan. The integration of the port in the 7,200 km long International North-South Transport Corridor or INSTC will help facilitate direct route from India to Russia via Iran. The corridor encompasses various modes of transportation, serving a major trade corridor connecting India, Iran, Afghanistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Russia, Central Asia and Europe. Now, this deal is widely seen as India's counter to Pakistan's Gwadar port and China's Belt Road Initiative. The port is positioned as a hub for transit trade between India, Iran and Afghanistan and offers an alternative route to the traditional Silk Road through China. So its geographical importance is huge, and it also provides strategic advantages to Indian oil and gas sector through diversification of import routes. Geopolitically too, the port is an important one. The port during COVID-19 facilitated supply of humanitarian assistance. Till date, a total of 2.5 million tons of wheat and 2,000 tons of pulses have been transshipped from India to Afghanistan through the port, and its integration with the INSTC will increase the goods transit further with opportunity to access new markets in Central Asia too. The deal will enhance the bilateral relationships of India with Iran and its West Asian neighbors. The Chabahar port development will enhance India's logistical capabilities. The INSTC aims to reduce the transit times to about 25 days, 20 days less than the Suez Canal route that is facing tensions right now. The corridor will cut freight costs by 30%. But there are challenges too. One is the potential US sanction that we discussed earlier. Then there is war in Ukraine and Europe's declining relationship with Russia that had complicated the integration of Chabahar port into the INSTC. And then there are Middle East tensions which might impact the operation of the port. However, if India obtains waivers from US on Iran and the smooth operations of the port, there is nothing like it. What are your thoughts on the deal? Let us know in the comments, and for more such news and views, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.